Learning is indeed a fun with Learn Easy Swayam. Welcome back, friends, in our channel Learn Easy Swayam. Our today's topic is based on Standard 8 Marathi Medium English textbook, My English Book 8. Our very first poem, Be the Best, and its appreciation. So let's get started with an appreciation of the poem Be the Best by Douglas Mulach. Students, if you observe, you always have a question in the similar format. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the following points. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ॲप्रिसिएशन म्हणजेच काय तर कवितेचे रसग्रहण. कविता कोणी लिहिली, कवितेचे नाव काय आहे, कवितेचा नक्की भाव किंवा मुख्य आशय काय आहे, त्याचबरोबर कवितेमध्ये कोणते अलंकार वापरलेले आहेत का, रायमिंग स्कीम काय आहे, रायमिंग वर्ड्स कोणते आहेत, या सगळ्या गोष्टींची साधारण एक स्केच तयार करणं म्हणजे त्या कवितेचं रसग्रहण करणं. सो हियर इफ यू ऑब्झर्व इन युअर इंग्लिश टेक्स्टबुक, ॲप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम इज फॉर 5 marks and it is easiest question in your question paper अप टू द स्टँडर्ड 10th. म्हणजे अगदी 10वीपर्यंत तुम्ही जाल तरी हा प्रश्न इथे सुरूच राहणार आहे आणि अगदी 5 मार्क हमखास मिळवून देणारा हा प्रश्न आहे. तुम्हाला सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा टायटल कवितेचं लिहायचं असतं, त्यानंतर नेम ऑफ द पोएट म्हणजे कवीचे नाव लिहायचे असते, जे की ऑलरेडी तुमच्या प्रश्नपत्रिकेत कविता छापून दिलेली असते त्याच्यामध्ये असतं. म्हणजे यू जस्ट हॅव टू कॉपी द सेम फ्रॉम युअर पोएम. थीम आणि सेंट्रल आयडिया ही मात्र तुम्हाला कविता व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवून समजावून घेऊन परीक्षेच्या आधीपासूनच याची सराव आणि तयारी करावी लागेल. राईम स्कीम अँड द रायमिंग पेअर यू कॅन इझिली फाइंड इट आउट फ्रॉम द पोएम. Figure of speech, you have to identify the figure of speech. There is no need of explanation, but it is better to understand the explanation of the figure of speech. म्हणजेच कुठल्याही अलंकाराचं स्पष्टीकरणही तुम्हाला जर माहिती असेल तर ती कविता समजणं सोपं जातं आणि तिचं रसग्रहण खऱ्या अर्थानं पूर्ण होतं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ अन ॲप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम बी द बेस्ट. टायटल ऑफ द पोएम इज बी द बेस्ट. पोएट Douglas Mulach. Both title and the poet, you can find the name from the poem or from your question paper. So you just have to copy it properly. It is for half of marks, so no need to write complete sentence. It is better to avoid spelling mistakes. So just copy down the title and the poet properly. You'll get 1 mark for sure. After that, theme and the central idea of the poem. Be the best in every form, no matter what your size is. Put your heart into your work, no matter whether the work is small or big. For theme and central idea, at least 2 to 3 sentences you have to write. So it is better to revise, recall and rewrite the theme and central idea before your exam. After theme and central idea, you have to find out the rhyming words or rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, whereas rhyming words hill, rill, be, tree, brass, grass, make, lake, you can easily find it out from your poem. Here, near, trell, fell, crew, do, star, are. And even in your English workshop of very first poem, you can find the same question which is there in your textbook. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. There are 7 points they have given. They have asked name of the poem, means title of the poem, poet's name, at the same time how many stanzas are there, how many lines are there in one stanza, and the lines that rhyme in each stanza. You have to identify which line rhymes with the another one. So here your answer is first and second, third and fourth line. First and second is rhymed, whereas third and fourth is rhymed with one another. The poet compares big things with the small thing. Here central idea of the poem is asked, whereas repeated expression in the poem be the best is the repeated expression. So figure of speech, you may, if you try to find the figure of speech, it is repetition, because repetition of the sentence be the best. Complete 3 words are repeating twice in the complete poem. The line I shall remember is be the best. म्हणजे मला सगळ्यात जास्त लक्षात राहील अशी लाईन कोणती होती, तर ऑब्वियस ती तुमच्या प्रत्येकाची वेगळी असू शकते. मला जे वाटते ते इथे मी तुम्हाला उदाहरणादाखल लिहून दिलेलं आहे. सो फ्रेंड्स, complete an appreciation of the poem